Hello friends, I have a theory that we should all live like bats. The corona came from bats, right? But the bats survived the corona. But we are not. How is this? Because bats, all bats, stay in one place, and if one bat is infected from a virus, on the next day, whole cave, the whole cave will be infected. The whole community will be infected by that bat because the droppings are done in that same cave only. So virus spreads from one bat to thousands of bats. So the virus will be same type of virus. One type of virus will infect all the bats. There is no chance for mutation because there is only two transmission, one bat to next bat. There is only two transmission. But here, due to lockdown, what we are doing, we are giving a virus a advantage of evolution here. So the virus is moving from one to many, not from one to many. It's moving from one to one. So from one to one transmission, the virus has more advantage of getting mutated. So you can, if you don't understand what I am saying, see the previous video I have mentioned in the description box below. And the virus can be friendly. The virus can mutate into friendly virus or dangerous virus, or it may turn to be super virus by certain time. After passing of certain 1 year, the virus may be converted into a super virus. So what I am saying is the lockdown idea is very bad idea. It's my opinion. It's my opinion that lockdown will be very bad idea for all human beings, because if a super virus is born in 15 years, 15 years, no human will live, because if the mortality of the virus is increased by its mutation, no human will live in this in 15 years. So if I am right, nobody will see this video in next 15 years. So if I am wrong, you can all we will all live and we will laugh about me, and even put me in some cell, or I think, I don't know, but I think we are not following the bats. The coronavirus came from bats, right? So we have to live like bats. See the bats, they live together, they fuck together, they eat together, they shit together. So one type of virus will infect all. They will not give advantage for the virus. They will not give virus an advantage of evolution there. So the more we are hiding in our homes, the virus may spread from one to one. The virus will get mutated into many types. So we already have S type and L type. So we have to choose to be infected by that virus. So while choosing which type of virus should be infected to all, I think if a old man or a old man above 70 years somehow survived the virus, coronavirus, that virus can be friendly. So that type of virus should be given to all people. So by this means, in a single generation, the all people will get sick. I know many people will die, millions of people will die, but we will not give the virus a chance to mutate. Yes, you can you understand what I am saying? Don't get angry because I am saying against lockdown, but I think if the virus is mutating, I am already hearing some news fellows saying that there is different strain of virus in Italy, there is a different strain of virus in Spain, there is a different strain of virus in USA. So see the mortality rate in Spain and Italy, it's nearly 15%. What scientists told, the coronavirus, virus, 'virus, 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 'virus The scientists say, no, it's due to uh, shortage of medical supply. Whatever it may be, the 15% has reached, no. So what I am saying, before taking out lockdown, we should all have some medicines, some paracetamols. Each person must have 40 paracetamol tablets. For 26 days, the virus attacks us. For 26 days, we will be in bed. So we should grab for food for 1 month, and we will fall sick for 26 days, and we should have some 40 paracetamol tablets. From that from that only we can combat this. Here ventilator won't help us. About 88% of the people who gone to the ventilator in corona infection did come back. So only 20% have survived. So that's what I am thinking. We are giving the virus a chance of mutation here. So that's all my opinion. I am ready, because whatever the decision government taking, I am ready. If it's continued to be uh, continued the lockdown, I am ready, because I am ready to face my. I will not die in first infection. If the virus gets into a super virus, I also maybe get die. Even I have elder parents above 60 years. I am concerned about them. I know, but see here, if the any biologist, any scientist can think about this. The way the virus is jumping from one person to another person, the chances of mutation is here higher. So that's what I am saying. I am not against government, or I am not against fully against lockdown, but you have to discuss. The biologists and the scientists and the medical professionals should think about this. Whether the virus is mutating by lockdown itself. So that is the question I am asking. Whether the virus gets, are there any chances the virus turn into be a super virus by mutation? So I have attached my previous video also, how the virus can mutate into a super virus. So you can see the details that also. So that's what my opinion is. Thank you.